Tense that butt.
One more time.
Tense that butt.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Ali,
And I'm Zoe.
and welcome to our first ever YouTube video.
We thought we would start with the most requested and the most absolute beginner video.
Yeah, so if you've never put skates on before and you just want to get ready and roll, this video is for you.
For you. Yeah.
For you.
Yeah.
Alright, before we get rolling, I recommend we put on some protective gear first.
So I would recommend at least wearing your knee pads and your wrist guards. As a beginner skater, I could have shattered my kneecaps so many times. So please put the protective gear on. What I have at the moment, and I do highly recommend, are the Smith Scabs knee pads.
And the bomb.
The bomb. And Anui City Brace wrist guards. I got these after breaking my wrist, so
Very good.
important. So first things first, you've put your roller skates and your protective gear on, and now you're wondering, how do I get up? But that's okay, because Ali is going to show you. How do I get up, Ali?
So, you're going to sit kind of cross-legged. And then I'm going to get my right leg. I'm going to put it over my knee, and then I'm going to lean on my knee. So my foot's nice and flat. I'm going to lean on my knee to step up. Just like that.
Nice.
Alright, so now that we're standing up, you're probably wondering, oh no, I'm rolling a little bit. I don't want that. Well, we've got a way to stay still for you.
So lift one leg up into a T position and squeeze your feet together, and you should stay nice and still. Yeah.
Show us the position, Zoe.
You can just lift the heel and squeeze them together.
And now you're safe.
Yeah. Now before you get rolling, it's important to talk about your body posture.
So, when we're skating, we want to make sure we keep our knees nice and bent at all times. Nice and bent, just like this. It will help with your balance, and also if you're going to fall backwards, it is much nicer to fall from down here than from all the way up here. Bend those knees.
When bending, it's important to think about your hips and your butt and really dropping them, and not so much leaning too far forward, just dropping it and keeping the core nice and tight and up as well.
Feeling really wobbly and scared, you can also put your hands out in front of you like this.
And whenever you feel like you're going to fall, always reach forward. Drop and reach forward, because much nicer to fall from here than it is from here.
Drop it low. Feeling wobbly? Drop it low. Drop. Drop. Drop.
And now it's time to skate!
Yay!
Take it, Ali.
Alright, so now you're probably wondering how to actually skate. So I'm going to show you. So we're going to stand here and we're going to point our toes outwards. Just like this. We're going to bend our knees, and then it's all about shifting our weight from side to side. So you just practice that with me for a second. Just shifting it from side to side. Now we're going to put a little roll, and you're going to lift up your feet and shift it side to side. Just like that. Toes pointed out, bent knees, transferring weight from side to side. From side to side.
There are also some drills that you can practice as a beginner skater to help build your skills. We're going to start with bubbles. We're going to start with bubbles. To do a bubble, you want to start with the toes pointed outwards, knees bent, butt down, squeeze out, and then to come back in, squeeze your inner thighs and your inner ankles, meet in the middle, and then repeat again.
So we're just aiming to get our feet together and then pushing them back out. Out. This is a really fun way to skate forward, so once you get this down, it is a great way to move forward. That sometimes can be a bit faster than just shifting your weight from side to side.
Remembering to keep your knees really bent doing bubbles is going to help you get them wider and wider. Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to do some drills that are going to help you build up your balance. So balance is really important in roller skating. Once you get your balance, a lot of tricks are going to be a lot easier for you. So for this one, we're going to balance on one leg. So I want you to shift your shoulders across so they're over your right leg. So that means all of my weight is now in my right leg. And once I've done that, I'm going to lift up my left. And I'm going to see how long I can hold it for. And if you can't hold it for long, just put it back down. But the longer you can hold it, the better.
We're on a hill.
It's better on flat ground, I promise. And now we'll do the other leg. So shift your shoulders across and then lift your leg. Very good. So we can also practice this way, rolling as well if you're there. We're going to roll a little bit and then we're just going to lift up our leg and then put it back down. And the longer you can hold it, the better. See how long you can hold it? Just build it up.
Now, $1 million question is, how do I stop?
How do we stop?
How? This was my favorite way to stop and the only way that I could stop or slow down as a beginner, and it really saved me going down hills that I was not ready for.
Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to do a plow stop. So it's kind of similar to a bubble where we're going to start with our feet pointed out and knees nice and bent. But instead of going into it and bringing our feet together, we want to aim to lean on our outside edges here and do a big wide bubble and really tense our legs to come to a stop. So I'll show you one a bit faster. So I'm going to be doing some bubbles, I'm rolling, and I'm going to go into the plow stop, nice and wide, really leaning, really tensing my legs. Tense that butt.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our very first YouTube video. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, if there's one thing to take away from this, it is to remember to bend those knees.
Stay low.
Bend them.
The lower, the safer.
You got it. Roller skating superstar. You got it.
If you have any suggestions for further videos you'd like us to make, leave them in the comments. We want to start working on more videos for you.
So whether that's going to be park, dance, street, whatever you like, for all levels, you're all welcome here on this wonderful channel of love and roller skating.
So I'm Zoe.
I'm Ali. Subscribe.
This is A to Z roller skating.
I missed the mark on what you were going to say.
Oh, what? Oh, God.
No.